Thanksgiving, thankful, contented, grateful, indebted, overwhelmed, pleased, relieved, satisfied, beholden, gratified. David Earl said an attitude of pure gratitude for having the opportunity to experience life on this earth with all its pain, heartache, worry, and turmoil. Coupled with this gratitude is the thankfulness for just having the opportunity to have lived. Being thankful is being conscious of the benefit received. Your health, your life, your job, your family, your friends, even down to the very air you breathe. Second chances, and on and on and on. Welcome to A Time of Thanksgiving with Southern Roots.
Hello friends, I'm Tim from Ridge Life, and I am thankful for my wife Starla. As you guys know, I married up, definitely, when I married Starla. This is my second chance at marriage, and I was blessed to have her. As many of you also know, she is battling breast cancer, and with the Lord's help and your prayers, she is beating it. She has been told she is cancer-free, and she is done with her chemo treatments, and now with a medicine regimen and a couple more surgeries to go, she's licked it, and I definitely am thankful for that. She does so much for me and my family, and I just don't deserve what all she's done, even during her cancer treatments, even during this this terrible affliction. She takes care of me, and I'm a big baby, and most of you that know me know that, and I am just thankful to have her in my life. Guys, I sure appreciate this opportunity to tell you all what I'm thankful for this Thanksgiving season. So hope you all have a blessed day, and go Ridge Life.
Alright guys, so here we go. Let's get started on this pumpkin roll. We'll start with 3 eggs. I'm about to run these over to my KitchenAid. And I'm going to let these beat up for about 5 minutes. Alright, see how those eggs look? Nice and foamy. So into that, I'm going to add 2/3 cup of pumpkin. I use canned pumpkin. Make sure you're not getting pumpkin pie filling. You want straight canned pumpkin. Now, I've got my flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, soda, pumpkin pie spice, and cinnamon. Gonna dump that in. Head back to the mixer for just a second. I'll be right back. Right, y'all, excuse my pan. It has seen its share of cooking. I'm just gonna give a light spray. I want it to hold my wax paper still. My pumpkin roll mixture. This is actually the cake part of the roll. I'm going to pour it out. I'll drop the recipe and the exact dimensions of this cookie sheet in the description box for you. Make sure we get all of this goodness out of this pan, or I should say bowl. Now you're just going to spread it out. As evenly as you can. such a good dessert, this is one of the easiest recipes you can make. All right, close your ears and hang on to your seat because this camera is fixing to shake. You want to knock all the air bubbles out. Kind of finish evening it up there. Okay, it's going to go into a 400-degree oven for 14 minutes. Here we go. Okay, so my pumpkin roll is out of the oven. I've turned it out onto a piece of wax paper. I don't know if you can tell, it kind of blends with my countertop. Now, I'm going to roll it while it's hot. I'm going to roll it up and I'm going to let it cool. Now, some people will sprinkle their wax paper or tea towel, whatever they use, with powdered sugar before they turn it out. I do not do that simply because it dissolves or else it clumps up and the outside of your pumpkin roll can start to look really tacky. So I do it this way and then I sprinkle with powdered sugar right before I serve. All right, so we are ready to work on the filling of this pumpkin roll. Got an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Throw in 6 tablespoons of butter, a cup of powdered sugar, and yes, Watkins vanilla. 1 whole teaspoon, if I can get the lid off. So I'm just going to use my cap, pour a cap full in there, and we're going to head back to the mixer. Okay, y'all, so we got that filling nice and creamy. So I'm going to set it down over here. My pumpkin roll has cooled down. So I'm going to unroll it carefully and slowly. Now, pull it over here where you can get a better look. Now we're going to dump our filling on top. And we're going to spread it out. Right, that looks pretty good to me. Scrape off this spatula over here. Put in there. Then you want to slowly start to roll the pumpkin roll up. Gently, while holding the wax paper down with one hand, and roll it over. Look at there. Isn't that beautiful? Now, my normal platter is in my car, so I'm going to just use this one which is not normally what I put it on, but it will work. I'm just going to pick it up off of my wax paper. Set it down. I'm going to cover it up. It's going to go in the fridge until it cools. Then before I serve it, I will dust it down with powdered sugar and we will slice it up. Alright, so we're going to slice into this and see what we got. Look at there. Don't you wish you had a piece? Normally I would sprinkle with powdered sugar as a garnish before I serve, but I didn't do that with this one. Maple Cook and Mountain Grandma, this video is for you. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you later.